To make these super crazy rings, well, you will need a bag of Cheetos or Doritos or whatever chips you wanna use. In this video, I'll make 4 different rings so you can see how cool and weird they look. These are great for pranks or for your everyday wear. Nah, I'm just kidding, I made this just for fun. And now crunch some of them just so you have small bits and pieces. Now take a ring mold in the size and shape of your choice, and you can easily find them on Amazon. And then go ahead and add a little bit of the Cheeto dust inside of it. Use a toothpick to move the dust around to make sure there's no big pieces inside. Now I'm going to take my UV clear resin and I'm going to fill the ring mold. Use a toothpick to gently combine the Cheeto dust and the resin, also to prevent bubbles inside the ring. Now I'm going to take the UV light and I'm going to put directly the light like so to cure it for 2 minutes. You will notice that the ring is ready when it is easy to pop off. If you accidentally added too much resin, you will need to file the edges using sandpaper or a nail file like I'm using here. And this is how the ring band should look at the end. Of course, you can add glitter if you want, that's completely up to you. You can stop right here, but I decided to be so extra for these rings. So I'm going to take one single Cheeto or whatever and I'm going to cover it completely with resin. The more you add, the more your ring should last. And also don't forget to add the resin on both sides of the chip. And now just go ahead and cure it with a lamp for 2 minutes or until it's no longer sticky. And now to attach the Cheeto to the ring, add directly the resin to the top of the ring and put the Cheeto on top. Quickly grab your light and point it directly to it and you will see how it instantly hardens. Resin for extra protection if you want, and your ring is ready. I'm going to continue doing the rest of my rings and I'll be back with the final results. Oh my god, aren't these so cool? When the food is encapsulated with resin, it can last for years. I know these rings are extra weird, but hey, I just wanted to make something unique and different. So what do you guys think of this idea? Will you wear them in public? Let me know that in the comments down below. I love you guys so much. I really hope you guys like this video and I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye!